After installing AVEVA reports, you'll notice that the AVEVA licensing is not there. If you go to the Start menu, there's just no AVEVA licensing. This is because it's not installed by default. Not sure why, either a good reason or a bad reason. So let's look at how to get that installed. So the first place you might look is the install file. It's just a .exe, so it's in there, but we can't get it out. After the exe runs, you install AVEVA reports. It does copy it to the C drive. So let's go over there. And this is all default location stuff. You might look in Redist. A lot of AVEVA products have stuff there, but there's just a couple things, so it's not there. It's under Utilities. And there's the AVEVA Enterprise Licensing 4.1.zip. Yeah, you might be tempted to install a newer version of, or even an older version of AVEVA licensing. You know, that has the likely possibility of running into problems with no definable gain. Just maybe you have a preference for that. So not a good gamble. Stick with what's in here, unless you do have a definable reason, right? Okay, so I already had it unzipped. It's just the normal license server, run the setup.exe. I'll give you a quick tip, even though you could argue it's outside the scope of this. When doing the installer, just make sure to check everything here. So Enterprise License Manager, that'll be unchecked by default. I've already run through it, so it's checked here. And then I actually missed the product interface, so you want to check that. So just get everything checked here. That's going to work for most people. Some people might be centrally managing and not putting a manager on there, but even if you are doing that, maybe you shouldn't. So having a license manager on every computer is more resilient. So anyway, quick review here. The main thing is just go to this location, see ODS, AVEVA Reports, Utilities, and there's a zip. You unzip it, and then it's AVEVA Enterprise License Manager.